Have you ever heard of the dance of the volcano spirits? In 1963, during the eruption of the Kilauea volcano in Hawaii, a mysterious and mesmerizing dance emerged from the local community. This dance, performed only at night, involved intricate footwork and graceful arm movements that mimicked the flow of lava and the eruption's fiery spectacle. Initially, it was a sacred ritual meant to appease the volcanic spirits, but it quickly caught the attention of visitors and anthropologists alike. Despite its ancient roots, the dance of the volcano spirits has remained a closely guarded secret, known only to the native Hawaiian practitioners. Today, it stands as a captivating blend of cultural heritage and natural wonder, a hidden gem that few have witnessed but many have heard whispers about. This enigmatic dance continues to intrigue and mystify, a living testament to the powerful bond between humanity and the raw forces of nature.